NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams returned to Earth after 9 months stuck in space. Stuck in space no more. NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams returned to Earth on Tuesday, hitching a different ride home to close out a saga that began with a bungled test flight more than 9 months ago. Their SpaceX capsule parachuted into the Gulf of Mexico in the early evening, just hours after departing the International Space Station. The splashdown occurred off the coast of Tallahassee in the Florida Panhandle, bringing their planned odyssey to an end. Within an hour, the astronauts were out of their capsule, waving and smiling at the cameras while being hustled away in reclining stretchers for routine medical checks. And it started with a flawed Boeing test flight last spring. The two expected to be gone just a week or so after launching on Boeing's new Starliner crew capsule on June 5th, and so many problems cropped up on the way to the space station that NASA spiritually sent Starliner back empty and transferred the test pilots to SpaceX, purchasing their homecoming into February. Then SpaceX capsule issues added another month's delay. Sunday's arrival after their relief crew, Wilmore and Williams, could finally leave, and NASA cut them loose a little early and given the empty weather forecast later this week. They checked out with NASA's Nick Hogue and Russia's Alexander Bunov, who arrived on their own SpaceX capsule last fall with 2 empty seats reserved for the Starliner duo. Williams and Wilmore ended up spending 286 days in space, 278 days longer than expected when they launched, and they circled Earth 4,576 times and traveled 121 million miles, 195 million kilometers by the time of the splashdown. And on behalf of SpaceX, welcome home radio, SpaceX Mission Control in California. What a ride, replied Hogue, the capsule's commander. I see the capsule grins ear to ear. Dolphins circled the capsule as divers radiated for hosting onto the recovery ship, and on safety aboard, the side hatch was opened into that, and the astronauts were helped out by one. Williams was the next to last out, followed by Wilmore, who gave two thumbs up. Wilmore and Williams' plight captured the world's attention, giving new meaning to the phrase stuck at work and turning Butch and Suni into household names, while the astronauts were longer space flights over the decades, and none had to deal with so much uncertainty or see the length of their mission expand by so much.